Hello students, this video is made to explain you about the photography event which is going on Edmodo. Now there are two events, one is Udan and one is Avsara photography, where for 6th, 7th and 11th, 12th grade students we are collecting the photographs from students which are self-clicked, and we are posting it as a monthly showcase. For 8th, 9th, 10th grade students, we have requested students for send their best photographs, best samples, so that from there we can nominate the best ones for Udan event. Um so yes, even if you are not in 8th, 9th and 10th grade, you can still take part in this by sending your photos through Edmodo or through email or through filling the Google form. Okay, so moving ahead, talking about the dates. Before dates, it needs to be clear that there will be three participants of photography all over from all over the school. Right, currently we have received around 12 nominations for photography. Out of them, we will be finalizing shortlisting three, and we will communicate this by 31st August evening. Now coming to the dates. If you see this, the date for sign up, that is like the date for me to sign up the name at Udan is 31st August. This is also the last date for you all to send your work. Please try sending it beforehand so that the last minute hassle is not there. First round submission will happen on 5th September. First round results will be out by 10th September. And second round session, there is a coaching session around photography on 12th September, and then second round submission will be 18th September, final will be 19th September, final result 20th September. These dates are already sent to you all through email. Now let's move ahead. So the first round, there are some rules which I'll read out. Students have to pick up three themes from the list given below. So there is a list where five options are there: portrait, nature, animal photography, pet photography, food photography, storytelling. So you have to pick any three of them, and they have to send one photograph from each theme. So if you read this, I'm reading this part. Each photo should have a title and description of photo. There must not be edits, no filter, and Photoshop. No Photoshop. In the case of edits found in the process evaluation, the photo will be disqualified. Each photo should have a watermark. Now, if you are not able to make a watermark on your photograph, please reach out to me. I will share the app from Play Store which can help you bring a watermark on your photo. Description of the photo. Your photo should be explained with clear description, as this also carries points. So theme selected, you should write about the theme, like which theme you are selecting, which camera technique you are using, why did you choose this theme, and what made you click this photo, and where does your photo stand as per rubric or self assessment. We will come to the rubric later. Now let's come down. How photos will be sent. So PowerPoint presentation to be made of each child's photos, which to be converted to PDF and uploaded on the Drive folder assigned by Udan. School POC to get the PPTs made. Uh, you have to send the photographs to me. till, so 5th September is the last date, so you have to send, whoever gets selected will be informed on 1st September, and they'll send their photos to me, and then I'll make the slide in PDF and then submit the photos. That's something which is my work. Selection, round 1 selection, the results will come out on 10th September, and there will be the top, out of the 3 from school, 1 will be selected for the next round. Eliminated students will leave the competition with the feedback and reflection survey, which will be shared later on. Selected students will move to the round 2, where there will be some coaching around photography, and then that second round will happen. Now let's understand the rubric. This rubric is evaluating these skills: creativity, composition, appreciation of surroundings, communication, critical thinking, and collaboration and technical skills. Now these are written clearly. What is, if you go inside this relevancy, composition, do you see the first column? I am reading that: creativity, technical quality, overall impression. Now there are details written under that heading, so those can clearly help you understand what they are asking for. So composition: are the items of the interest placed well in the photo? Is the subject matter pictured in a unique way? Does the photo demonstrate originality? Has the photographer used light in an interesting way? And you can see where does it stand: 0 points, 1 point, 2 points. So what will give you how many points is written there. Okay. Now, for any queries and doubts, please reach out to these emails, Miss Shruti or me. Miss Shruti is in Akanksha organization, and she is planning this with me. Okay, so if you have any questions or doubts, please share with me, and also please send your nominations as much as possible. Thank you.